Good evening. Here's the latest on the conflict between Israel and Gaza. Israeli airstrikes continued overnight in several parts of Gaza, including Khan Yunis and Deir al-Balah. Local health officials say at least 17 people were killed, including women and children. Israel says it is targeting Hamas fighters, but many civilians are still being hurt. In Gaza City, hospitals are in crisis. Some are closing or being evacuated because of the fighting nearby. One children's hospital has shut down completely. Doctors say they are running out of medicine and supplies, and there's very little fuel. Israel has reopened one crossing to Jordan for people traveling, but 8 trucks are still not getting through. Many people in Gaza have no clean water, electricity, or enough food. At the same time, the United States is supporting a plan to create a temporary government for Gaza after the fighting ends. Former British Prime Minister Tony Blair may lead it, but not everyone agrees with the idea. Fighting is also spreading in the region. Israel has hit targets in Yemen after a drone attack from Houthi rebels, and a group of ships from Italy and Spain are trying to bring aid to Gaza. Israel says it may stop them if they break the naval blockade. The situation remains very tense, and many people are calling for a ceasefire. We'll keep following this story and bring you updates as they